In this video I'm going to show you another airdrop video. So it's about Bitmart actions, and here is BLD. They are a company, and they have their one token BLD and 160 BLD. Everybody is of those people will get it, and there is worth is $10. Okay, if you notice the picture of the post. So here, however, so here is refer code. You must be used this refer code. It's their one refer code. The company, the tokens companies one referral code and complete KYC. Never be freak out. I will show you. You don't need to have ID card to step of stuff. Even you don't need others people. You can do that manually by your hand. It's straightforward. It can do your grandmother. Okay, so first the link, you need to copy it out and paste it into your browser. So let's say, okay, I'm using Yandex browser because I did all the task others browser in the morning time or whatever time, and I'm pasting it into here, and let me see it now. So here is, I'm going to go to desktop mode in order to view the whole point, and I'm click on this get started, and here is I'm putting my email. So put your password number, capital, small, number, combination of character. Do correct password. That is slightly hard. Okay, click this sign up button first. Before click on sign button, click on the stick button, fill the box and click sign up. And here is, okay, I need to do a little bit zoom. Okay, sorry, zoom out. Okay, so here is captcha. First on is this on, second on this, third this, and click the OK button. Okay, and they will send, okay, account already exists by my account. This on, I need to use this one. Okay, so before doing it I need to zoom out. Okay, so here is would be this on, first one, second this on, third this one, and okay, so they will send you the code into your Gmail. Checked it out. Okay, immediately. So I'm doing pause here. So here is, they will send me their registration code in order to being verified, in order to enter the apps. Okay, without that never will work. Okay, so here is, I need to wait because network problem might be. It is neutral, it is normal now, network problem. So wait a minute here. If I click on, okay, my account in 17, this one, and here is email definitely has been arrived. So here is code is 027267, 027267, 027267, 027267. And yeah, that's it. Now time to doing QYC. So click on this little bit. Okay, sorry, I'm doing this banner advertising they are doing in their apps. So here is little man option. Click on there in the above, and here is click the verification in here, right here. Click on there and click the verify now, and which country you are in. Verified. Your first QIC has been done, and as simple as that. And they will track you is you participate by their referral code, because they will see you in their refer option, and first 200 people will get the reward $10 is everybody. So how they track you? They will track you if you use their referral code. You definitely used, because I showed you. Okay, so this is the video. Maybe you enjoy it. If you don't yet participate in our Telegram channel, check out description box.